Hi, my name is Kift. I'm Principal at Gower College Swansea. As we approach this year's exam and assessment season, I'd like to share my top 5 tips on how you can support your child during this important time. Number 1, create a realistic study plan together. Work with your child to build a balanced revision timetable. Breaking study into manageable chunks and setting achievable goals will help them stay motivated and in control. Number 2, build healthy daily habits. Encourage nutritious meals, regular breaks, fresh air and plenty of water. Good sleep is essential as last-minute cramming rarely works as well as consistent preparation. Number 3, be their biggest supporter. Offer reassurance rather than pressure. Remind them that progress matters more than perfection and that effort and resilience are the things that truly count. 4, create a focused study environment. A calm, tidy space can make a big difference. Minimizing those distractions, especially phones and social media, will help them concentrate and feel less overwhelmed. And number 5, celebrate the small wins. Revision can feel intense. A few kind words such as "I'm proud of you" can boost confidence more than you might realize. And finally, please remember you're not alone, and neither are they. At Gower College Swansea, we're here to support our learners and their families every step of the way. If anyone needs advice, guidance or reassurance, our teams are always ready to help. So, together, we can help them move forward with confidence and believe in what they can achieve. Thank you for your continued support. Diolch yn fawr iawn.